Oh, yeah, it's this way, isn't it, the pond?
Yeah.
Took the wrong turn.
Yeah.
Yes, we've seen it from a different
Yeah,
view.
we can go deep around it.
Floor's a bit slippery. Yeah, see what I'm looking at. The creature from the Black Lagoon. Go swimming in there, it'll get you and it'll fuck you up. Remember that advert years ago? The bank was slippery, the boy was showing off, and if falls in and drowns and he shows that like black reaper cape sinking in the old water puddles. I remember that years ago. Yeah. Creature from the Green Lagoon. I know it's not called that, but there you go. Where's the deers? And where is the elusive, rare king of all turds? Now we know they're being sighted and spotted around here, because even are saying, yeah, this is where the king turds are. Very rare. If you like this kind of crazy ass content, please like and subscribe, because I notice there's like 90+% of you people out there watching, but you ain't subscribed. Might be massive brontosaurus in here, comes smashing through the bushes and trashes everything and eats us. A T-Rex comes barging out there and eats my face. There's loads of blind eels in there, guys. Blind eels galore. Some kind of Jurassic toilet here. So might grab my ankle and pull me in. Big blind eel. Autumn time. In time. In time. Can't see no deers.